Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where I keep my linky stuff, notification bell because reasons. I thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. This is my Patreon's Patron Appreciation video. Momology 101. That's it. That's the list. That's all we got, folks. At $1 a month, which comes out to 85 cents, for 6 months, which allowed me to afford a loading strap. Cargo strap, if you will. But I needed a specific head. The gator teeth is what I needed. So, again, thank you, Momology. And here's what I'm going to do with it. Oh, and dig Momology 101. He's been with me for 5 years now. So, $1 a month. That's all I asked. I still need his address for the snow, but... And wink, wink, man. Every project I undertake has a purpose. This one being my right arm, back, and knee make it difficult for me to carry that sucker right-handed. I need support. Alright. Cut some off of that. As for the weed eater, I've got the forward grip I can hook on. That's not an issue. Then adjust the strap over shoulder. Problem is the exhaust. The muffler, the exhaust, melted the nylon strap. Yep, right on in there. Awesome. A new genre for YouTube. It's not an unboxing video, it's an unrolling video. Just need to feed him under. And yes, I know I'm putting it in backwards. Might as well strip her down. Alright. I know I'm going backwards. All you people that work in shipping, I know I did. There's a reason for that. Yeah, 400 pounds per linear foot. I think this will do. There you go. That could be wider. Need to stretch that so it sinks on a little better. Put it in the vise. Open that up so it'll actually seat. Push button. Pull until it's comfy. There we go. For your own safety, do not do this. I'm going to be burning plastic. My biggest concern is melting or harming the nylon strap on either. Alright. You've been warned. Don't inhale. And also being safety conscious, you being the guest, you get the protection. There we go. All better. But first I want to soak the nylon in water, just as a precaution. difference. So again, thank you to Momology 101 for your continued support through Patreon. And as you can see, every penny goes right back in the show. Quiet dignity and grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things or where I keep my linky stuff. Notification bell because of reasons. I thank you so much for watching. I thank you for your interactions, whatever they may be. Like